Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 13th of January 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, the Chilean Renewable Energy and Storage Association expects Chile's national power system to reach 47.17 gigawatts of installed capacity by the end of next year, largely as a result of new non-conventional renewable energy. They foresee the addition of 8 gigawatts of new capacity during 2026 and a further 1,490 megawatts in 2027, considering projects that already have construction declarations. Of that total pipeline, 95% corresponds to renewable generation and energy storage. A report from the offices of Senator Elizabeth Warren and Senator Ed Markey was released on Tuesday. It shows that Massachusetts ranks second in lost or delayed clean energy jobs, behind Texas, and first in lost or delayed investments. The study estimates that 16,750 clean energy jobs and $8.6 billion in investments in Massachusetts have been lost or delayed. The tax policies and direct actions of the president are cited as the cause of the losses. Romania is drafting legislation that would enable granting concessions for the construction of renewable energy plants on unproductive and degraded state-owned agricultural land. The initiative aims to establish fast-track areas for renewable energy projects, with all necessary permitting procedures limited to 12 months. The deadline to designate these areas is February 21st, but it is unlikely to be met. That is because a contract to procure the necessary geospatial data management software has been partially canceled. The rapid expansion of the data center sector in Spain is reshaping the country's electricity landscape. According to official sources, 12 gigawatts of capacity have already been granted to projects linked to digital infrastructure. That far exceeds realistic deployment forecasts, which industry players estimate at just 2 to 3 gigawatts by 2030. Spain now hosts around 180 data center projects across more than 60 cities. The average price of electricity traded on day-ahead markets last year was around £83 per megawatt hour in the United Kingdom. It could have been as high as £121, except for British wind farms limiting the role of gas power plants in setting prices. A longer-term trend of rising savings has resulted from Britain's growing fleet of wind farms pushing gas power plants off the system. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.